At BioReset Medical, we've really developed an expertise in taking care of people with complex illness. The most common examples is the case of Lyme disease.
I came to BioReset initially for PTSD treatment. Little ways in, after a consultation, we found out I had Lyme disease.
When I first came in, he said, "I think you have Lyme and I think you have mold."
I find that almost all of the people who we see that have Lyme disease have high titers of viral infections.
It's kind of like a snowball effect, the way that when you have chronic Lyme, it can become an autoimmune disease.
When it's in the brain, it can cause fatigue and anxiety. It can also go from mild wellness or pain to like major neurological issues. Lyme can also affect the heart, can cause a carditis. It can affect the electrical activity of the heart. Profoundly can affect the immune system and the immune system functioning.
I was previously on so many medications that it really kind of messed up the receptors, so now I'm trying to heal from that, from like years of antibiotics.
But instead of using antibiotics, we're using ozone and natural approaches that are antibacterial, antiviral, and don't sort of ravage the microbiome like antibiotics do. And so we're really seeing transformative experiences with our patients with Lyme by taking the most comprehensive approach possible. I generally find that if you don't have a comprehensive approach that deals with everything that I just mentioned, if you can't do all of that, it's not going to work because it's just so overwhelming.
So when you start treating the Lyme, you're setting yourself up to start healing the body, and then subsequently everything else kind of starts to fall into place.